Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean the buzzer in the Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. The integrated sound speaker, which also functions as a buzzer, is positioned right at this specific location on the board. You will notice that it is situated in very close proximity to the microphone, which helps in capturing and processing audio signals effectively. Here's the microphone, and here's the buzzer. So this is our sound speaker. It needs to be cleaned. For this, we need a brush. A flat one like this. Ideally, you should use a flat brush exactly like this one. But if you don't happen to have one available, you can also use a regular toothbrush. Just make absolutely sure it has medium or soft bristles. You'll also need to get some isopropyl alcohol, specifically 100% or 99% pure, so that it fully evaporates after the cleaning process is finished and doesn't leave any unwanted residue behind. So what you need to do is thoroughly soak the bristles of the brush with this alcohol. I carefully took the mobile phone in my hand and, using a very deliberate one-way motion, I began to clean the speaker used for calls. Well, actually, this specific one is for playing sounds. Moving in one direction, then carefully in the other direction, with a steady, consistent one-way motion to get it really clean. You should repeat this process about 5 times until the speaker mesh is completely clean and fully functional, and then all your favorite music and sounds will play loudly and clearly once again. After you have finished the procedure, set the phone aside on a flat surface to dry for at least 10 minutes. Of course, it is vital that you do the entire procedure with the phone completely turned off. Please remember that it's very important so you don't accidentally cause a short circuit or anything like that. Make sure the device is powered down before you even start to avoid any permanent damage to the internal hardware. Once the alcohol evaporates, it doesn't conduct electricity, so just wait those 10 minutes and then you can use your phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.